A constitution bench of the Supreme Court has today held that circumstantial evidence can be used to determine proof of guilt in corruption cases. What this means is that now government servants will not be able to escape prosecution in the absence of direct evidence, even if witnesses turn hostile. The court, while delivering the judgment, said that we hope that the prosecution makes sincere efforts to ensure that corrupt public servants are booked, and also added that corruption is corroding the body politic like cancer. The Delhi High Court on Thursday reserved its verdict on a batch of petitions challenging the centre's Agnipath scheme and seeking resumption and enrollment as per the previous recruitment scheme in the defence services. The High Court bench had concluded hearing the arguments on the pleas that were challenging the Agnipath scheme on Wednesday, and on Thursday, it further heard submissions on those petitions that were concerning the recruitment processes for the armed forces under certain previous advertisements. After hearing detailed arguments on all aspects, the court on Thursday finally reserved its order and will now pronounce it in the due course of time. The Supreme Court on Thursday granted bail to a man who was facing conviction for pelting stone during the 2002 Godhra train burning incident, in which 59 people were burnt alive inside coach S6 of the Sabarmati Express. The convicted man had filed a bail application in a batch of special leave petitions challenging the Gujarat High Court order that had upheld the conviction of several accused in the Gujarat riots case. While the court was considering adjourning the case, the counsel appearing for the convict urged the court to release him on bail, stating that he had already been behind bars for around 17 years, and the only allegation against him was that he was pelting stones at the train. The Bombay High Court today restrained a Mumbai-based organization from temporarily using the Khadi and Charkha logo after the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, also known as the KVIC, approached the court stating that the trademark was theirs. The KVIC had come to the court against the association named Mumbai Khadi and Village Industries Association, which was allegedly using the KVIC registered logos consisting of the word Khadi and depicting the Chakra logo. The judge said that unless the association was restrained from further indulging in such conduct, the KVIC would suffer grave and irreparable losses, and therefore granted the order in their favour. The petitioners challenging the electoral bond scheme on Thursday urged the Supreme Court that the case should be referred to a larger constitution bench, as it was an issue of public importance. The lawyer for the petitioners, the Association for Democratic Reforms, told the Supreme Court bench that the case ought to be referred to a larger bench due to several constitutional issues that were involved in the matter that needed to be answered. The bench asked what the pressing urgency in the matter was, because the case had been pending since 2015. They went on to observe that since there was no election that was coming up as of now, the matter will be taken up in January.